Hey everyone. A few months ago, I posted a video about bugs offset bends. In that video, I mentioned that one color strap should be installed 12 inches away from the top of the bags of the enclosure you working on. But the actual NEC code says that a strap should be installed anywhere within 36 inches. So now I am using a very helpful app called Ask Bambang to ask any question I don't remember on my head. Using this app now, Bambang, the answer is right there within 3 feet of a termination box or enclosure. I'm putting the link of this app on the description of this short video. If you download and sign up with them, you will get 2 weeks free access when you use the code BENDBOSS. So I strongly recommend this app if you are new in the electrical field, or if you are preparing for an electrical exam, journeyman, or you name it. This is an awesome app. So thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.